We're back 7:42, and a new Rossen reports warning for homeowners.
Yeah, this morning, a hidden danger that with colder weather on the way, we're talking about freezing pipes that could suddenly burst inside your home. So the question is, how do you prevent it from happening? Today, national investigative correspondent Jeff Rossen has some important info on that subject. Hey, Jeff.
Good morning.
I have an answer to that question. It just so happens.
Okay.
Look, a cold snap is hitting the Midwest right now, and you know we're all in for it. Temperatures are dropping coast to coast, and experts say this is prime time for the pipes in your home to freeze and then burst. And when they do, you know that water can gush everywhere and wreak havoc fast. But we have some good news. There are simple things you can do right now to prevent it from happening. And here's the better news. Anyone can do it. This morning, I'm flooding a home on purpose to show you.
Pipes bursting, hoses leaking. This home flooding with water, damaging almost everything in sight. And experts say this could happen to your house. According to the insurance company Chubb, homeowners are 40% more likely to experience water damage during the winter than any other time of the year.
To show you the kind of damage we're talking about here, we've set up an experiment inside this house. Come on inside. This is actually a flood house. It's a house that's been built to be flooded, to replicate what it looks like if your pipes burst or if they leak. It has all the trappings of home, as you can see. And come on into the kitchen. We have Jim Magliaro here.
Hi, Jeff.
Who's a risk and flood expert. Why does this happen in the winter? Why right now do we have to worry about this?
Because in the wintertime, the water in the pipes gets cold, it freezes, and frozen water expands, and the pipe bursts.
It's just too much for the pipe, and then you have water everywhere.
Water goes everywhere.
So we're going to flood this house and see what it looks like.
We are.
Let's do it.
In just seconds, water rushing through the house.
We're just 3 minutes in right now. Look at the laundry room. The water is spewing up, and look at the floor, already flooded out. Imagine if this was your house.
In the kitchen, a similar scene.
5 minutes now, and look at this. The water is already seeping out from under the fridge, and it's moving toward the carpet.
But upstairs in the master bathroom, the worst damage.
This is crazy. Just from the toilet, that one little hose, the water is already moving into the bedroom.
So much water gushing out, it's even raining down into the garage below. In just 30 minutes, thousands of dollars in damage. So how can you prevent this from happening to you? Tip number 1, insulate your pipes.
We're starting here in the garage. Why?
Because this is the pipe that's exposed to the cold weather and can freeze.
Okay, so what are you supposed to do?
Well, you can go buy this simple insulation. It's about 25 cents a foot.
25 cents?
Yes, and you simply do this over the top.
And that's it?
And that's it.
Even I can do this.
Even you can do this.
Now into the laundry room. Big tip here, no rubber hoses.
So what happens here?
We're here looking at the hoses that supply water to the washing machine, and they're rubber.
So rubber hoses are bad.
Rubber hoses are bad.
All right, so that's the tip right now from experts. Go around in your house right now, check your washing machine, and make sure the hoses aren't rubber. What should we have?
You can get these steel braided hoses. They cost about $10 each.
Cheap.
Cheap.
But it's in the kitchen where we find 2 of the most common and costly household leaks. At the sink, know how to shut off the valve.
Well, I suggest once a week you look under the sink, look for any puddles of water, and move your hand along the pipe to see if there's any leaks.
If there is, what do I do?
You can shut off the valve.
So look for the knob that looks like this and turn it so it's horizontal to the direction of the pipe.
That's correct.
And that'll shut the water off.
That should shut the water off just for the sink.
And that leaking fridge, check for puddles.
Many refrigerator leaks are due to the water line that feed the refrigerator.
So what should I do?
Once a month, pull it out and look behind it.
Okay, I'll do that right now. Ugh, by the way, I'm not that strong. This is on wheels, don't tell anyone. Get a friend or a neighbor to help you. And you're saying once a month, come back here and look for a puddle under here.
That's correct.
Simple tips to save your home this winter.
Even Savannah and I can do it. And here's another big tip. With the holidays approaching, so many of us are leaving for vacation or visiting family away. Experts say if you're heading out of town, you should actually walk out and shut off the main water valve to your whole house. Can you imagine if this happened and you weren't home? It's an easy way to prevent major leaks or bursts while you're away. We have step-by-step instructions how to do that, and pictures and everything, and more bonus tips on how you can fix other leaks. All you have to do is go to our website right now, today.com/Rossen Reports.
I'm intimidated by all those.
No, it's really, really easy, I
Yeah.
promise.
Okay.
But I can't believe how cheap it is. That's the other thing.
Really
It
cheap.
costs nothing.
And it will save you a lot.
All right, Jeff, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.